Last question. Who cheat more, men or women?
Women.
Why you say that?
Because the people they cheat with don't care that they cheating, so they ain't gonna tell.
Damn, I ain't heard that one before.
Yeah, the dudes that women cheat with, they already got an understanding that she cheating. He ain't gonna leak no information. He gonna go with the program. A man ain't gonna never get in his feelings and come up to a dude.
Now pay attention, you can use any box of macaroni and cheese you want to use. And as you can tell by the title, I'm using the 4 cheese. And yes, use the whole pack. Room temperature butter works best. My butter wasn't as soft as I liked, folks, so I had to nuke it for like 5 seconds to make it more easier to deal with. Use some saran wrap to wrap it up, and we're gonna stick this in the refrigerator for about a couple of hours. It's already ready to be used, but it's gonna stiffen up once we put it in the fridge. Folks, this 4 cheese butter tastes amazing. Okay, like I said, just wrap it up, stick it in that fridge for a couple of hours, and it is ready to use. It's already ready to be used, but the fridge just gave it some character. Four cheese butter, guys. There you go.